How long have you been in the financial market?
A very long time. I started in the financial market, and you're not going to believe this, in 1985.
1985, wow. So that was before even internet existed.
Way before the internet existed. Everything was done by telex machine, and I think your viewers will appreciate this. Get Googling what a telex machine is. It's a huge, bulky way of communicating. And I worked for a French bank called Crédit Lyonnais, and we communicated with all our overseas offices on a telex. And I started off as a telex trader.
Wow.
So all the spot traders here, the dollar, before the euro currency, the dollar mark, the sterling, the Swiss, and yen dealers, and the gold dealers sat behind me. And my office in Kuwait would come on the telex, quote me gold in 200 ounces, and I'd have to run over here because someone wanted dollar mark in $20. I was getting the quotes from these guys, running up and down, running up and down.
And what's the most amount of money you've made from the financial market?
Back in those days, pre-electronics, a spread, a typical spread, let's use the legacy currency of dollar mark. So during London hours, at peak liquidity, a spread would be 3 basis points. Now you're talking 0.5 of a spread or something like that. But it was done by a human being. And the human being would assume the risk as the trader, and he'd have a position, open position of anything up to $100 million worth. Wow. And the swings, it was unbelievable. The noise, the atmosphere, the adrenaline, it's gone.
I can imagine.
It's completely gone. But in terms of daily P&L, on a good day, we could make $500,000.
Wow.
And then you know what? You'd feel it the next day. If there was an economic announcement you weren't expecting or some kind of crisis had hit the market, you could easily lose that all over again.
And what's the most important lesson you've learned?
Discipline.
Discipline.
Discipline yourselves. If we're talking about running our own position, have a discipline. It's very, very tempting when you open a position. Always use the logic that you intend to make 3 times more than you intend to lose. Always put a stop loss. And if you buy into a position, never average it as it's going against you. It looks tempting because your price is getting better, but the size of your position is getting bigger and the loss will get bigger. Discipline, discipline, discipline. And you know that there are different phases in the market. Day trading, you may get an opportunity. If you follow something like sterling for something, the moves may only happen between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock in a London morning. So trade then. Take your profits then, close and go home.
Interesting. Thank you so much, sir, for your insight. That was very, very amazing and lovely. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Appreciate
It's very nice to meet you.
Thank you. Likewise. Thank you.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you very much.